Speeding. So what did it cost you? Maybe 150, 200, even 300 bucks?
Did you pay it? Well,
Yes.
The next time it happens, you might not have to. Tonight, the troubleshooters are showing you what you can do to maybe beat that ticket. Probably one of the most dreaded sights you'll ever see in your rearview mirror.
She's going to be stopped.
Especially when you know you're going too fast.
Okay, and your radar at 82.
Your mind races. Is there something you could say that would get you out of this mess?
Are you running late?
In his 13 years with the San Antonio Police Department, Officer Knudsen has heard it all.
Does your speedometer work in here?
And when it comes to speeders, he says,
The majority truthfully are honest and cooperative. It's just that 10 percentile that will be trying to get out of it.
Just going to school?
Oh, you're going to school.
but does that ever work?
It takes people's anxiety level to a high level, and I understand that.
Trooper Paul Wagner says in most cases, a driver can't talk the officer out of writing a ticket.
You're not admitting guilt by this signature.
On the side of the road, that's not a good place to have court. They're probably not going to accomplish a whole lot by debating and arguing with the officer.
There are some things you should not do if you're pulled over.
Sir, how are you?
Don't get out of the car.
All right? Yes, sir.
And think twice before you pour on the sob story.
Some people have a tendency to cry, and we have found out in our work that sometimes it's real tears, sometimes it's fake tears.
Does it work?
Generally not.
Okay, so the bad news is you got a ticket. The good news, though, there may be a way to get the ticket reduced or even get it off your record. Act as your own attorney and cut a plea deal with the judge and the prosecutor. Just come here to municipal court and let them know you want to plea bargain your ticket.
They pretty much get the same deal they can if they hire their own lawyer. Sometimes it's cheaper because most lawyers will charge you per ticket and still get the same deal you have.
You can also request a jury trial. A 6-member jury will hear your case.
You may get somebody on that jury that would be sympathetic and find you not guilty.
You're driving a 85 and a 65.
Wow, 20 miles over the limit. That's a $212 ticket. Might be worth his time to show up in court.
What's your name, son? Sorry?
Whatever you decide to do, don't let your ticket become delinquent. The city has just created a new marshal unit to arrest those with outstanding warrants, and you won't be able to plea bargain your way out of that one. We want to hear your best ticket stories. What do you do to get out of a ticket? We have a blog set up at our website, WAI.com.